friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to collate the data from the different sheet, right? In earlier video we have discussed already that how to collate the data from the different workbook, right? But here we will learn how to collate data from the different sheet in a same workbook, right? If this is a workbook, name is compile sheet, right? And now we need to compile all the data from the different item, like it's a pencil, pen, right? Item is pen here, right? And this is pencil, right? This is pen set, right? Now all the header is same from the different sheet, right? In pen, right? And in pencil, pen set, in every, right? And every sheet the header is same. Now we need to compile the data, right? Suppose the pen data, this data need to be compiled in all sales data and pencil data and all this, right? So once we will click over here, all the data will be get compiled into all sheet, right? In this sheet, right? And also the pivot table get refresh this, right? So let's see if we will delete this data, right? And after this clicking on button, all the data will be get collated into all sales sheet, right? Now compilation done, right? After clicking, so now just we are going to filter out. Now the pen, total pen is here 20, count is coming 20, right? After that, yeah, it's total count is 20. Now after that pencil, now total pencil is 13, and after that pen set is 10. So let's see, yeah, it's correct 10, it's correct 13, right? So let's see the VBA code how we have done this. We have assigned the macro on this click button, right? So once we will do it in our VBA, right? In our debug mode, let's see fit. Firstly, what is going to do, firstly it will select the sheet name, all sheet, right? First it will, once we will click on this button, right, it will firstly select the all sheet, all sales sheet, right? After that it will firstly clear the all content, whatever the content it have on sales sheet, it will be get clear, right? After execution of this sheet will clear all the content, right? So it has been clear now. After that it will be in the next, it will be get activate. After that it will be now copy the till last data, as we have assigned this function to count range A, right? Means to know exact range till the data we have the range. Now it will be get copied, right? As you can see behind that in sheet pen sheet, it has been selected all the data. Now the master sheet will be get masters, all sales will be get activate. After that the range, last range of the column A will be get selected. After that it will get up, right? As you can see below in running programming code. Now it will be, and after that we have used the active cell, and using offset we will now going down to the active cell of A2. Now data will be get pasted, right? After that next it will be get selected. Now after that it will again do the same function, then data will be gets copied. Now the all sales will be sheet will be get activated. After that it will go below and after the list on last data, and after that it will be moved to next cell, right? Data will be get pasted over here, right? After that again it will select the next sheet. The data has been copied, as you can see below behind, right? After that now the data has been pasted, right? After that you can see, right? And all sheets will be get activate. It will get now as you can see the now it will be get refresh the pivot table as we have in this sheet, right? And after that for refreshing the pivot table we have used this workbook dot refresh all, right? Now message box below compilation will be done, right? Now for this we have written this code, right? From this, right? Now firstly what he is doing, firstly he is activating the sheet, right? And after that it is clearing the earlier data which we have, right, in all cells sheet. After that it is selecting the next sheet, copying the data from there, as you can see, right? Copying the data, and after that it is pasted into the main sheet, and same procedure we are doing for all the sheet, right? That's all about this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.